Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of advice on how to achieve that sleek, model-like face we all fantasize about? Take a breath, because this video is your ticket to real, achievable tips for a sharper, more stylish look. I've done the research, so let's plunge into it. When it comes to attaining a model-esque face, it all comes down to three essentials: keeping your body fat low, maintaining firm skin, and ensuring those facial muscles are in a happy place. But worry not, we're going to tackle these steps in a way that's as simple as tying your shoes. After all, who has time for complicated jargon? Let's kick things off with the first crucial factor: low body fat. Picture this scenario: two pals starting from the same point, both on a mission to shed some weight and sharpen up. One takes the shortcut, slashing calories like a maniac, and poof, 20 pounds disappear in the blink of an eye. The other? Well, they're in it for the long haul, opting for a balanced approach with clean eating, cardio, and lifting weights. They too drop 20 pounds, but over a more leisurely time frame. So, who emerges as the victor? You got it, buddy number two. Now, why does this matter? It's not just about shedding fat, it's about the journey of how you shed it. Buddy number two's method gives his body time to adapt, preserving that sweet muscle-to-fat ratio, especially in the face. Remember, those facial muscles are your secret weapon for that coveted, chiseled look. Crash dieting? Not on our watch. Let's do this the smart way. Okay, let's talk about diet, but don't worry, we're not diving into the rabbit hole of kale salads and quinoa just yet. Ever noticed how sometimes when you skip meals, your face feels a bit, well, empty? That's the last thing we want. So, here's the deal. Counting calories is our trusty compass in this journey. It's like having a GPS for your food, minus the headache of complicated math, I promise. Now, let me introduce you to my favorite hack, the plate method. It's so simple you'll wonder why you haven't tried it before. 3 square meals a day, easy peasy. Grab a smaller plate than your usual. It's like a little optical illusion that tricks your brain into thinking you're eating more. Divide that plate into thirds: carbs, proteins, and fats. Boom, you've got yourself a balanced meal. Trust me, this method is your new partner in crime. It works like magic. Now, let's move on to the fun stuff. Skincare. Picture this. You've nailed the low body fat game, but your skin isn't quite vibing with the whole model-like vibe. Smooth, firm skin is your golden ticket to showcasing your natural beauty, and it's easier than you think. Skincare? Not rocket science, my friend. It's as simple as counting to 3. Cleanse, moisturize, SPF. Feeling a bit adventurous? Dive into serums and treatments for those little quirks your skin throws at you. But before you dive headfirst into the skincare aisle, let's figure out your skin type. Time for a little experiment. Wash up, let your face air dry, and wait for the magic to happen. Tight and flaky? Hello, dry skin. Shiny all over? Oily alert. And if you've got a mix of an oily T-zone and dry cheeks, congrats, you're a combo champ. Why does this matter? Well, think of it this way. You wouldn't wear winter boots in the summer, right? Your skincare products should match your skin type for the best results. But here's the secret sauce. Keep it simple. You don't need a whole army of products. A few quality ones will do the trick just fine. From keeping your body lean to pampering your skin and giving those facial muscles a little love, every step counts on the path to becoming your best self. Thanks a lot for joining me on this journey to a more fabulous you. Your support means the world. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on grooming and style, make sure to subscribe to Vogue and Vanity. Until next time, stay glowing.